Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I made this one-hand maxi dress. It has a little tie detail on one shoulder. It's super easy to make, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the fabric I'm using. It's a slightly thick crepe fabric and I think it'll be perfect for this project. I have 3 yards in total here and I cut out 2 pieces, so which is 1.5 yards on top and 1.5 yards underneath. Okay, so from this edge here, you can use any edge that you want. I'm going to go inwards by 8 inches and I'll come down by 6 inches. So now this 6 inches that I came down, I'm going to mark it on this other side. Now I'm going to connect the points together. After cutting that out, I'm going to clip down the sides and take this to my sewing machine and stitch it down. After stitching up the sides, I'm going to bias the armhole area. This is what it looks like after I've biased the armhole area. So the next thing I'm going to do is fold the very top here. And while I'm folding, I'm going to leave a hole, like a space, where my rope is going to pass through. After that is done, I'll sew my rope now, and I'm going to leave the dimensions of my rope on the screen. After sewing the rope, I'm going to insert it into that space that I created earlier. After inserting the rope, I'm going to hem my dress, and that is literally it. I told you this dress was super easy to make. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and if you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.